arrive in style with this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include multi-zone AC, child safety locks, front head airbag, heated mirrors, passenger airbag sensor, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, and traction control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.